Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo, guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Leo, what's going on? Under the deck, Queen of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and Page of Cups, and the Empress. I think you are concentrating on yourself, especially on your self growth, Leo. You are taking your control back, but someone is coming with an apology. For some children's also involved in this connection. I think you are waiting on someone or something. You invested money in some businesses and waiting for the result, Leo. In relationship wise, maybe you are waiting on someone. You are very caring and sharing person. You have strong emotions towards your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past. Three of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, and Knight of Swords. I think there is no collaboration between you and your person. Especially your person is in and out of your life. Excuse me. Yeah, I think you want long-term commitment, but it was not happened in past. But there was some communication between you and your person. Maybe you communicated with them or they communicated with you. I think there are some commitment issues between you and your person. Then present Nine of Wands, Eight of Swords, and Judgment. So you are guarded up, but you are thinking about them a lot and you are feeling stuck. I think for some you decided to move on from this person, but you can't because you're feeling stuck and you are in the process of some making decision. For some you are going through some legal issues. Maybe your person going through some legal issues. So judgment is here. Definitely you are going to make some major decision regarding this relationship or regarding your love, your life. Then future, Five of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and the Moon. Lot of trust issues between you and your person. Lot of drama is going. Yes, you decided to holding back because Four of Pentacles. I think there are trust issues for some third party involved in this connection. Could be friends, family, or other man. Maybe families could be the issue here. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Pisces. So Leo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Ten of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, High Priestess with Ace of Cups. They started listening to their intuition. They wanna communicate with you and they're thinking about marriage with you. So let's see their current feelings. World, Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, the Lovers, Seven of Pentacles, and the Hermit. Right now your person is in waiting mode. Maybe they're going through some transformation, Leo, but they do love you. For some it is more about physical than emotional, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. So their current feelings, the world, Nine of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. Definitely they're thinking about new beginnings with you. Long-term commitment. I think your person is very independent, especially financially they're very stable and they are thinking about you are very independent. Some cycles are going to be in between you and your person. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. So right now your person thinking about new beginnings with you. They do love you. So let's see their intentions. King of Cups. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person. That's why you decided to holding back. Temperance. Yes, patience is the key. Page of Cups. Yes, they did hurt you, but now they're coming back with an apology. But for some, it will take time. Right now, your person patiently waiting for right time, and they're very passionate about you. They're very attracted to you, Leo, and they're in very slow moving energy and judgment. Definitely, they're in the process of making decision. I think you both are in the process of making decision. King of Cups, Temperance with Page of Cups. Patience is the key here, guys, and they do love you. For some, it will take more time, but they are very, very attracted to you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah. So they want reconciliation with you. Right now they're missing you so much. Yeah, they have regrets. And they want this happy family with you. Right now they're missing you so much, Leo. Three of Swords energy. They are heartbroken without you. Yeah, they have regrets. That's why they're coming back with an apology. In past they did hurt you. That's why maybe they are in and out of your life. That's why you decided to holding back. And you are thinking about them a lot. For some you have option C. Seven of Swords. Maybe this person is not trustworthy. Trust issues. Definitely you both have trust issues between you and your person and commitment. And I think they ghosted you. Maybe they rejected you in past. There is no commitment in past. I think you are not trusting this person. So let's see mutual, Leo. Things will turn, but tower. Right now, maybe both going through some tower moment, especially in this relationship, there is no equal give and take. Spying, maybe you both are spying on each other. I think there are some trust issues. Everything will be okay in divine timing. Maybe you are not trusting, but this person planning to communicate with you, then totally it's up to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Leo. I think this person is sneaky. Definitely one person in this connection could be sneaky, playing mind games. All I want is you. I realized my mistake. The religious factors. New love is coming. Twin flames. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. I am just not ready yet. So the messages are all I want is you. I realized my mistake. Religious factors. New love is coming. Twin flames. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Take time to breathe out. So if you are doing a lot of work, so this is the message from the universe. Take break. So let's see another message. The end of your tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn, Capricorn energy. So if you are going through a tough cycle right now, this is the message for you. The end of your tough cycle approaches very soon. A new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra under the deck. Libra energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.